in my 500 subscriber GAW. Holy cow. Is that insane or what?
Hello, this is Matt, and I'm speaking softly because I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I'm here to let you know about a 500 sub giveaway that Triple P, Pistol Packin' Pilot, is putting together, and the man has lost his mind. I mean, look at the way he fondles these Scottsdale stackers. I mean, the guy is obsessed. But he wants to give it all away. So he's got this 500 sub insane giveaway. You can win 10 ounces just by liking and commenting and being a subscriber. That's the easy part. You can also win more if you do a shout out video.
He's losing his mind. And I'm reaping all the benefits.
So instead of showing my face, I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes look at what went through Pistol Packin' Pilot's mind when he started thinking about it. So right here, it's him on stage singing about how great he's going to feel.
And some play it smart. I had a ball. Some of us fly.
Now this is going to give you a look at what his wife and family thought when he told them about what he was thinking about doing.
In retrospect, it seems like a pretty bad idea driving out. It's been one disaster after another.
Yeah, it's been a real drag, Dad. Maybe we can try it some other time.
Now if you have kids in the room, please cover their ears, use some earmuffs, because what you're going to hear is obscene, but it's hilarious.
I think you're all fucked in the head. We're 10 hours from the fucking fun park and you want to bail out. Well, I'll tell you something. This is no longer a vacation. It's a quest. It's a quest for fun. I'm going to have fun and you're going to have fun. We're all going to have so much fucking fun we'll need plastic surgery to remove our goddamn smiles. You'll be whistling zippity-doo-dah out of your assholes.
Now you may be asking, why is he doing this? And I found out why. He found out there was another Triple P. There was a Triple P named Les Brown, and he was LB Triple P.
I said, look out, this is me, LB Triple P. Les Brown, your platter playing papa. There were none before me, and there will be none after me. Therefore, that makes me the one and only. Young and single and love to mingle, certified, bona fide, indubitably qualified to bring you satisfaction, a whole lot of action. Look out, baby, I'm your love man. I was hungry. I was hungry. You gotta be hungry.
The sad part of this all is that he actually admits that he's crazy. Like, he knows it. So I don't know if as a community it's our responsibility to bring him back to reality or just let him go, because it's kind of fun to watch, right?
And he called me a savage. He said I am crazy and I am savage. Well, we're about to see exactly how savage I am.
I gotta be crazy. I'm on a pilgrimage to see a moose. Praise Marty Moose! Holy shit!
Dad, you want to ask her something?
Don't touch!
He's losing his mind. And I'm reaping all the benefits.
Now we're going to take a look forward in time. I found future footage of how he's going to react once he realizes that his 500 subscriber giveaway is a reality. This is actual footage of what's going to happen the day he has to mail all that silver out.
Little boys told me it's all wrong. Another boys told me it's all right. I used to think that I was strong, but lately I just lost the fight. It's funny how falling feels like flying for a little while. It's funny how falling feels like flying for a little while.
20 ounces. 20 ounces, ladies and gentlemen. 3.08% of my full stack.
He's losing his mind. And I'm reaping all the benefits.